One way of plant tissue culture is by protoplast culture and protoplast fusion. You must understand what do we mean by a protoplast actually. The cells without the cell wall is known as protoplast, right. So what you are going to see here, we have two plant cells, right, and from the plant cell we are going to remove the cell wall by means of certain enzymes, for example cellulase or pectinase. They are going to dissolve the cell walls of the plant cells, and the plant cells without the cell wall, they are known as protoplast, right. So we have this protoplast, right. How we have got this protoplast? We have got this protoplast by the removal of the cell wall by using certain enzymes which help in dissolving the cell wall, and these enzymes are cellulase, pectinase. So by removing the cell wall we get protoplast, and then the protoplast from two different parents, they are made to fuse with the help of PEG, that is PEG, that is polyethylene glycol. What is it? It is polyethylene glycol. So in the solution which contains PEG, that is polyethylene glycol, these two protoplasts are made to fuse, and when they are going to fuse, then nuclear fusion is also going to take place, and after that nuclear fusion we are going to have a somatic hybrid cell, and then this somatic hybrid cell is going to develop the cell wall, and then this is going to grow and divide, forming the undifferentiated mass of cells that we call as the callus, right. And from the callus we can have that cultures continued, and this is how protoplast culture is there. So remember, when we do culturing of the plant cells without cell wall, that is known as protoplast culture. And what is protoplast fusion? Protoplast fusion means the fusion of the protoplast from the two parents to form somatic hybrid cell that we have got at the end, which further divides to form undifferentiated mass of cells that we call as the callus. So protoplast culture and protoplast fusion can bring about somatic hybrids from two different parents, right. So we can have the desired traits by having these somatic hybrid cells, which is a result of the fusion of the two protoplasts, right. So when protoplasts are going to fuse, nucleus is also going to fuse, forming this somatic hybrid cell, which can further divide and divide and divide to form callus. Callus is the undifferentiated mass of cells, which can further lead to the development of the plantlets that we desire, right. So this is known as protoplast culture and protoplast fusion. Remember, protoplast culture means culturing in which we are taking protoplast, means plant cells without cell wall. And how do we remove that cell wall? We remove that cell wall with the help of certain cell wall dissolving enzymes, that is cellulase, pectinase. So when cell wall is removed, that plant cell part is known as protoplast. The two protoplasts from different parents are made to fuse in the solution which contains PEG. PEG is polyethylene glycol. And when the protoplasts are going to fuse, nuclear fusion is also going to take place, forming the somatic hybrid cell, which can lead to the formation of the callus, and then we can continue with further cultures.